This is definitely the coolest camera that I've ever seen. It's the Moment 3D camera, and it's not actually real. It's a concept developed by an industrial designer named Olga Arel. Olga has an appreciation for 3D photography, like we all do, because it creates really cool images, but you usually have to use something like this, which is a film camera, or something like this, which is a janky digital camera. So Olga decided to take this concept of 3D photography and design a contemporary new look for it, which is also why I share this as this week's Something Gorgeous in my newsletter, Creative Juice. I publish it every Monday, and I share a bunch of stuff just like this so that you can start your week feeling inspired. Now, I could definitely be wrong about this, and there are digital cameras out there on the market producing 3D images that look just as good as this. But Olga, please, if you see this, for the love of all things gorgeous, make this real. I mean, just look at this interface that she designed. And this functionality right here sold me on it immediately. I can just imagine myself carrying this little camera around in my man purse on the weekends with friends, or going on an adventure where I don't want to bring a big, bulky digital camera. Let me know in the comments what you think of this Moment 3D camera concept. Maybe if we get enough comments and Olga sees this, she'll actually make it. If you'd like to start every week feeling inspired creatively, then you can sign up for my newsletter, Creative Juice, over on my profile. Have a good day.